Hey y'all, it's TheTianaAlexandra and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here or you find yourself coming back and watching multiple videos, make sure you subscribe because not only would it make my day, but it's free and no cost to you. So I just wanted to talk to y'all about what's been going on with my locks. I know it's been a while since I made a lock video. It's been over a month, so I owe y'all one. I owe y'all two. I owe y'all a few. I made 10 months lock on January 11th and we're almost at a year. I am experiencing dandruff like I never have. Depending on who you are and what your body chemistry is like, you might get some dandruff. And that's what's been happening to your girl. So I know y'all want to see what's up under this hat. I know y'all see this back here. Yeah, baby, that's all me. I know y'all didn't think I was just finna wear no hat with not on scarf underneath. We don't do that. I don't know if I want to show y'all this. Okay. Yeah, let me just spread that out. So this is what she's looking like underneath that hat. And let me tell y'all, my 9th month retwist, I kept it up for a long time, but this is where I messed up. I looked at my scalp and I seen a little flakage like in the middle or whatever, and I was like, oh no, I can't have that. So what I did was I took my finger, I put it in some water, and I was like, let me just get that, take a little right there. And I ended up doing that throughout the top part of my hair. I basically got my scalp drenched, y'all. And what happened after that was this. It didn't really help with the dandruff. Came back maybe a day or two later and boom, it was back at me. So I'm just like, oh, you really want to fight? You want to tussle? You want me to comb my locks out? Cause I'll do it, cause I don't like that shit, baby. I don't like that. It wasn't a super in-depth thought, but I was more so disappointed, like, am I really going to have to comb out my locks? And I've made it this far, further than I did the last time. My first set of locks, I only made it to month 5. If I was a loose natural, I would be able to control this better. I'm able to just, scratch my dandruff out and just comb it through and, get it that way. But I'm gonna stick it out. There's nothing in me that feels like dealing with everything that comes with my loose natural hair. Like, I'm not doing that. Not right now. And definitely not when I'm this close to a year. We ain't doing that. Let me just give y'all a close-up on what this dandruff, these flakes are looking like. Cause, honey, and my scalp doesn't itch like that. I mean, it itches a little bit, but it's just not like, it's nothing like that. Like, that's excessive. And it's more so at the top of my head. Like, the back has some too, but it's not bad. But the front, let me get a thumbnail real quick. I'm gonna be like, I almost combed them out, and then people gonna be like, I'm only following you for your locks. How dare you comb them out? How dare you even insinuate that you would? I'm just like, I'm not. But yeah, basically, moral of the story is there was excessive flakage. When I was thinking of solutions, I realized that I don't do a lot to my hair at all. I barely even touch my hair in between retwists. So for starters, I just need to wash my hair more. I need to wash it probably like I used to when I was a loose natural, which was either every 2 or 2.5 to 3 weeks. I don't feel like my hair is going to get like married together or stuck if I don't retwist every time that I wash. I don't care what anybody says, whether you put oil in your locks or not, I'm gonna do what I feel is going to work for me. So I do, again, have this 5 Essentials oil that I used to use for my first set, and they used to be on point. I also never really used a lot of products when I had my first set of locks. It was either aloe vera gel, and at one point I just stopped using the aloe vera gel because I was seeing, the same type of like dirt and debris in between here. Now, I don't necessarily know if I can escape that or if that's just going to come naturally from my scalp or if it could be, the products, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna be experimenting. When I come back, I will be either done washing my hair or getting to it. So, bye y'all. So this is the results of my oil and water only retwist, and it came out exactly like I expected it to. Bomb. Period.